NASA has done an incredible job at answering some of the universe's biggest questions. Every year they discover countless planets, new galaxies, and even signals that have led our best researchers to question where they're coming from and what they mean. Space agencies are now gearing up to send humans deeper into space, and hope that within the next few decades humans will be walking on Mars. It's not uncommon for scientists though to observe things in space that never get answered. Countless objects pass by our planet every year, and NASA and other space agencies have openly admitted that some of them remain a mystery, saying that although they're in the category of space debris, they can't give a specific answer for what the object is. This has led to space enthusiasts and amateur researchers to search through old archives, in the hopes that they find something of interest. NASA's satellite EIT-304 captured a strange-looking structure fly past the Sun, with users who spotted it saying that it appeared to leave behind a long trail. Those who found the image said that when you zoom in you can see that this object is in the shape of a disc. Some of those who saw the image said this isn't the first time that they've seen something like this close to our Sun, and wondered whether it could be something like a large asteroid that's making its way through our solar system. Others however said this probably isn't what's being seen, as NASA hasn't reported that an asteroid of this size is close to our Sun. Others said that because of the shape it could be a piece of space debris that flew past the satellite. Others who studied these photographs have said that space debris can often give off the illusion of it being bigger than it is, and that is behind many reports of mysterious flying crafts. Not everyone thinks these objects are easy to explain though, and say that very strange looking objects can be seen around our Sun, noting that many of them are too big to fit in the category of space debris. NASA and other space agencies have brushed off these claims, and notes that they've never seen anything that would suggest that advanced aircraft are visiting us. Regardless, this hasn't stopped people from looking through old archives in the hopes of finding something of interest, and there's groups of people that are sure that these objects can't be explained away as space debris. The next suggestion was that it could be a camera anomaly. In fact, NASA workers have long said that these camera anomalies often take on the appearance of something much different, when in reality they're just spaceflight or camera glitches. NASA though has admitted that every so often they do detect objects close to our planet that remain a mystery, but they've said that just because this happens it doesn't mean that they're extraterrestrial in origin. As mentioned, space agencies are always making discoveries, and one of the most recent ones was made by TESS, and a large international team of astronomers led by Dr. Jennifer Bird, who's an exoplanet researcher at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California. One of the most recent discoveries of recent months has been that surrounding the discovery of many new exoplanets by the Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite. For those that aren't aware, back in 2009, the Kepler satellite was launched with the purpose of discovering planets all across our galaxy, and helped to shed light on the discovery of a number of potentially habitable Earth-like planets located very close to our solar system. This mission proved to be such a success, and at the centre of a number of incredible discoveries, that this led to the creation and launch of another satellite system, known as the Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, that was designed with the purpose of discovering exoplanets moving across the surface of their parent star, and revealing their size in the shadows. Despite this new state-of-the-art system having been launched back on the 18th of April in 2018, it's already made a number of exoplanet discoveries in recent months. These discoveries include dozens of confirmed planets, 300 additional planetary candidates, a number of gas giant planets, and many other Earth-like planets that have been missed by previous Kepler missions. Additionally, these new discoveries have allowed the new revelation that for a planet to form similar to the size of Jupiter, it must have an orbit that's been disturbed, allowing it to form to such a massive size, providing new insights as to exactly how such gas giants are formed in the universe. At the rate this new satellite is uncovering new planets, it will surely pass the Kepler satellite in a few years, as well as lead to a number of new incredible insights and discoveries in the academic field. NASA said the following on their website in regards to their most recent discovery. A planet some 90 light-years away from Earth is oddly reminiscent of our own Neptune, that is, a gaseous world with a potentially rich atmosphere, which is ripe for study. The planet is more than 3.5 times as round as Earth, and warm by Earth standards at 134 degrees Fahrenheit, or 57 Celsius. TOI 1231b orbits a red dwarf star, smaller but longer lived than our own Sun, with a year once around the star that is 24 days long, but the planet stays relatively cool despite its close orbit, because its star is also on the cooler side. Though not habitable due to its size, the planets could offer scientists one of their first chances to capture a barcode-type reading of the atmosphere of a Neptune-sized exoplanet, a planet orbiting another star. This would allow comparisons with smaller worlds elsewhere in the galaxy, bringing potentially deep insights into the composition and formation of exoplanets and planetary systems, including our own. So what do you make of these recent space discoveries? Be sure to leave your questions and answers in the comments section below, and help us to grow this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.